Okay, I just installed on my race car another Android. I'm extremely fascinated with it. So this Android has the options, and you will see with me. Let's see. You have the option to select what kind of vehicle you have. So let's go really quick by mirror link. Everything is showing on your cell phone will display it. So get the permissions. Let's see. Good. So the cell phone you don't need it anymore. GPS and everything will show up here. WhatsApp app, stuff like that. So everything you control it now from here. The only thing is the 7 inches which fit very well on my vehicle. So that's the cell phone right there. Go find YouTube. Okay, let's go back here. Oh yeah, has a remote control here and has another right here. So my camera is going to plate.